Right, welcome back to my video. This is the second £30 mystery box from Leigh at the BugOut shop in Buithwells. And it's a another shout out video to you, but so nice one, buddy. So you go, what's in it this time? So we have an head torch for Andy. With some paracord. Tie the missus up for that later. Button compass. Wire saw, nice one for checking in all the survival items back. A flint and steel, survival whistle, drop out the box. We have a nice little knife as well. A tidy shot, and knives got up there back straight right. And then we have a thermolat. And these the items. Nice one, Levi. Cheers, buddy. Thanks for all the watching, all the videos, and goodbye. See you in the next one.